Oh, hey, what's your name?
Cassie.
Hi. What? I feel like fate just like brought us together on these staircases.
Oh.
Hi, my name's Juan.
Nice to meet you.
What are you doing right now?
Going back to my dorm.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I get your Snapchat and to like hit you up and maybe hang out sometime?
Sure.
You seem really interesting. Are you new here?
I'm a freshman.
Okay, so yeah, I haven't seen you around. I'm a senior.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What are you studying?
Business.
Are you kidding me? Just shut up and kiss me.
No.
Yeah, you're right. I'll just text you. Are you a freshman?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're just starting out, trying to find out what you want in life.
Yeah.
I'm in the same position. I don't know. Undecided. Wow, I feel like we have so much in. You know what? Just shut up and kiss me.
Sorry, you can't.
Oh.
I have a boyfriend.
Oh, yeah, me too. So that's so dumb, right? Have a good day, Lily. What's your name? Hi, Haley. My name's Juan. You're freaking glowing.
Aw, thank you.
Yeah, like what is it? Your makeup? That's got to be natural. Like it's the same color as your arms.
Aw,
Where are you headed right now? What the crap's going on?
Spanish. Yeah, I did present this whole thing in Spanish.
Are you kidding me?
I don't really know.
Well, guess what?
What?
I am Mexican, so
Really?
I'm about to help you out and save your life. What are you studying?
I'm undecided.
Really? You're undecided?
Yeah.
I have no idea what I'm doing in life either. Like, just shut up and
try to
kiss
take
me.
No, I have a boyfriend.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
this is really uncomfortable. Oh crap.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I thought we had like a moment going on there.
No, I'm sorry.
Can I just get your Snapchat?
I mean, you can't.
All right, cool. What is it? We have a lot in common. This is actually
yeah.
crazy. I feel like this.
Wow.
Just shut up and kiss me.
I'm good.
Oh, yeah. No, I'm doing good too. Thanks for asking. Hey, well, have a good day. See ya. Just shut up and kiss me.
No.
Oh, Jesus. Sorry. I thought we. I'll snap
No,
you.
we're good.
See ya. just shut up and kiss me.
I can't.
Oh, you can't. Why?
I have a boyfriend.
Oh, well, sorry. I didn't know that. Just shut up and kiss me.
No, it's okay. I have a boyfriend. Sorry.
Yeah, me too. He's really cute too.
I have class.
Just shut up and kiss me.
Okay.
Hi, excuse me. Hi, I saw that you were like cleaning up. I just wanted to come introduce myself. My name's Juan. What's your name?
Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
Are you new here?
No.
No, really.
I'm a grad student.
Oh, you are. How old are you?
I'm old.
You're not that old. Come on, 25.
28.
No. Oh, okay. That's not bad. Yeah.
Sorry, I was like trying to get out of it. I was like, he's coming over to sit here.
No. I was actually just coming over to introduce myself. Yeah. My little sister's name is Sarah. Yeah. So, what are you studying?
A secondary education.
Are you kidding me? That's just. Shut up and kiss me.
No. Why? Why did you say that? No, why did you say that you couldn't believe that?
Oh, because I'm studying the same thing.
Really?
That's why
Are you
I thought
serious?
that like
Oh, that's
you would
cool.
like I thought we were gonna have a moment.
Who put you up to this?
My soul, my heart, my desires.
What class are you taking right now?
Right now, I am actually just studying here in the library.
Oh.
Yeah, I was about to go to one of the computers over there.
Oh,
And,
like, what classes are you taking for your major?
oh, why?
Just curious, maybe, I don't know.
Oh, are you trying to find out like what my schedule is so that we can like meet up sometime?
Yes.
You are? Awesome. What's your Snapchat?
It's SD.
All right. Yeah. So what do you like to do for fun?
A lot of things.
Really? Oh my. Me too. Just shut up and kiss me. Is this ever gonna happen or?
I don't think so.
Oh, this is really awkward. Do you have a boyfriend or something?
No, but I just met you like 5 seconds
Oh.
ago.
So like you're not down to hang out or anything like that?
Mate, is anybody like, did you,
What?
is this a dare
What do you mean? Why? Do people get dared to do this type of stuff all the time?
to like try to kiss someone?
I don't know. Well, I don't know. I thought I was just gonna own this, and then walk off feeling like a king. But like now I just feel like a little peasant. It's okay. I understand. My mom thinks I'm ugly too.
I don't think
Oh, you don't? Thank the Lord.
you're just very bold and I'm
Okay,
not
do you-
because I'm a little shy.
You're a little shy. Do you
Not
like
shy,
bold?
But just, I mean,
You're
I
shy.
don't
I'm
know.
bold. Together, we're gonna be shouled. That was lame. Sorry.
no, that's like a dad joke.
Shouled. So yeah, where you headed right now? I'll walk you there.
I was just moving because
Oh, you were just trying to get out of the path of like all these boys coming up and seeing this pretty girl sitting down.
No, but this is a huge table and I'm only one person, so I was gonna sit in that little
That
cubicle.
little corner over there, right there. Oh yeah. Oh, I see. Your computer's already there and stuff.
You
Okay.
wanna walk over there?
Yeah, let's walk.